If you're considering BMC Helix ITSM for your help desk software, there are some key things you need to know before making a purchase. While it's a solid option, it's important to compare it to other solutions like ServiceNow or Freshservice to see if it fits your needs best. Let's dive into 12 things you should know about BMC Helix ITSM before buying. First off, BMC Helix ITSM offers a comprehensive suite of IT service management tools that aim to streamline processes and improve efficiency. It's cloud native, so you get scalability and flexibility, similar to ServiceNow. However, unlike Freshservice, which is known for its more intuitive user interface, BMC can feel a bit more complex at first. Next thing to know is its powerful automation capabilities. Helix ITSM can automate workflows, incidents, and change management tasks, saving your team time. However, compared to competitors like Ivanti, its automation can sometimes require more customization to fit specific needs. The third thing is its integration options. BMC Helix ITSM integrates well with other BMC products and external systems, but it's not as seamless out of the box as ServiceNow. With ServiceNow, you get more out-of-the-box connectors, which could save time if you rely on integrations with other tools. The fourth thing is its AI and machine learning features. BMC's AI capabilities, like predictive analytics, are robust and help improve decision-making. However, its AI-powered chatbot can feel less polished than Freshservice, which has a more user-friendly experience. The fifth thing to consider is cost. BMC Helix ITSM tends to be on the pricier side compared to other ITSM solutions like Zendesk or Freshservice. While you're paying for its enterprise-level features, it might not be the most cost-effective option for smaller teams. Next thing is its customization options. BMC Helix ITSM allows deep customization, so you can tailor it to your organization's needs. But if you're not highly technical, this can be a double-edged sword. You may need dedicated resources for setup, unlike more user-friendly options like Freshservice, which offers simpler customization. The seventh thing is reporting. BMC offers strong reporting capabilities, allowing you to create detailed analytics around IT services. However, these reports might require a bit of learning to use effectively, especially if you're comparing them to the simpler reporting systems offered by competitors like Jira Service Management. Next, let's talk about user experience. While BMC Helix ITSM provides a lot of features, the interface can be overwhelming for new users. This is a common challenge with enterprise-level tools, and while ServiceNow has worked hard to improve this, BMC is still catching up in terms of ease of use. The ninth thing to know is its mobile app. The mobile experience is decent, but not as fluid or feature-rich as some alternatives. Freshservice, for example, provides a more refined mobile interface for managing tickets on the go, which could be a key consideration if you need that flexibility. The 10th thing is its security. BMC places a strong emphasis on security with robust features to protect your data. However, if your primary concern is compliance with certain regulations like GDPR or HIPAA, you might find some competitors like Ivanti more focused on these specifics. The 11th thing to consider is customer support. While BMC offers strong support, the general feedback from users tends to show that it can be slower compared to more agile competitors like Freshservice, which has a reputation for quicker responses and support resolutions. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that BMC Helix ITSM is a good choice for larger organizations with complex needs. But if you're looking for a more cost-effective and user-friendly solution, you might want to check out alternatives like Zendesk or Freshservice, which provide robust features at a more accessible price point. BMC Helix ITSM is a solid option for enterprises, but depending on your organization's size and needs, there might be a better solution out there. If you're interested in exploring another option that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution for a better experience.